Want a simple and easy quick smoothie? You might want to try this 4-ingredient avocado yogurt smoothie. It's high in protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This meal is rich in antioxidants and it's so quick and easy to make. You can have a meal within minutes. For added protein, you can add a scoop of plant-based protein powder to this meal. Delicious and yummy. Here's a little bit about me. Welcome to our health and wellness family. I am Charlene. I have been practicing natural and holistic health for over 25 years. I was an assistant vitamin manager, and I'm very grateful that I've helped thousands of people over the years to improve their health using healthy foods as natural medicine and natural supplements as needed. We're gonna start by peeling one banana. Banana has the heart-healthy potassium. It also has the fiber for digestive health, and it also gives a quick energy boost. Banana is a good source of vitamin B6, essential for metabolism and cognitive health. Next, we're gonna add half of an avocado. Avocados have the heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. They aid in digestion because of the high fiber. They also have the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, which is great for eye health. They also aid in weight management by increasing satiety. Next, we're gonna add a few scoops of yogurt. Yogurt is high in protein. It also has probiotic for gut health, and it also helps to strengthen the immune system. Add about half can of coconut milk. Coconut milk has lauric acid, which has antimicrobial properties. It has MCTs, which supports weight management, and it has minerals like magnesium and phosphorus for bone health. Add a handful or two of spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-dense superfood packed with vitamins A, C, K. The high vitamin K helps with bone health, and it also has lutein and zeaxanthin for eye health. And spinach, like other leafy greens, helps with brain health. Add some water to thin out consistency. Just blend. Look at this beautiful shade of green. So there you have it. 2 quick and easy avocado yogurt smoothie. This is optional. You can add a pinch of nutmeg if you like. So yummy and healthy. To help you improve your health, please pick up a copy of my book and my natural and holistic health course on sale at charlenewees.com. It would mean the world to me, supports this channel, and thank you in advance. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.